Subscribe to see more videos from my end and click on that bell to get live notification. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to another wedding vlog. I'm sorry कल रात को शूट नहीं कर पा रही थी कुछ क्योंकि मेरा सर फट रहा था. Yeah, so that's what is it. And now we are heading to my bro's house जिनकी शादी है और वहाँ पे हम लोग का एक पूजा है, एक फंक्शन है. And this is my outfit. I can't show the whole thing over here. This is my outfit. And my little one is sleeping on me. Just that. On me sleeping. And yeah, that's my husband. Always saying hi and bye. Nothing else. And we are heading now to the apartment for a puja. So that's what is the scene. So I'll show you some glimpse over there what's happening. I don't think I'll be able to talk much like how I'm talking over here, but I can show you the glimpse.
I thought creamy. I mean creamy.
Huh?
I thought creamy.
Creamy?
Finally reached.
Oh,
He went to Numapattam.
उधर पार्क किया मतलब कार रखा.
Finally we reached after 1 hour of roaming. 1 hour of roaming.
Cream center. आ गया क्या?
What? There's others. Hey, hard. Dude. Hey, get going now. There's another. Hey. How is it feeling?
Oh, great.
Awesome, sexy feeling. The groom. So tomorrow is the wedding, and all are gone crazy. Now, see, we're just coming running.
Hey, want to take a video? I got photo.
You want a picture? Okay, we'll take a picture. Take a picture.
It will never come. What do you want to do will not go very well. You only in the gallery. Do what do you want? It's only in the gallery.
Shut up.
You won't share anything.
Shut up.
Where
It's
do
not
you-
like that. It's all like that. It's all like that. This you will get it. Don't worry. See how me my cousin bros are. Dance.
You can do whatever you want. It's going to be not going to go anywhere.
That's not true. That's not true. I'm seeing everybody. That's not true. Two functions are over. I could not show much, but I could just show some glimpses. So Ghari and Navagrai Puja. Now we're going to do the Mehndi thing. हाथ में मेहंदी लगाने वाले. मुझे थोड़ा जल्दी निकलना पड़ेगा आज. And again शाम को there's one more function, so I'm planning to leave a little early so I can give some time to my little one, and I thought of going live also. So let's see how it works. If it works, awesome, then good. And tomorrow is a wedding. So tomorrow morning also there's an occasion, and tomorrow also the whole day we'll be busy with the wedding thing. And 26th is Raksha Bandhan. Wow, everything is going in line. Who's the most happening person in my family? Hi. How are you? Say how are you all?
How are you all?
Acha, Big Mama, who's the favorite in the whole family?
You.
Don't lie.
No,
I'll ask everyone.
Of course, my Miyu. Come here, Miyu.
So now you think Miyu is favorite? I'm not favorite. I'm not favorite. She's not coming. This is a Sindhi language. This is a Sindhi language. Now she's not letting me record also.
Nice to see you. Hello.
Okay, now Miara is going to talk. Miara, talk.
Talk. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Big Mama. Ah, so sweet. So sweet. Ah, you like Big Mama? Yeah, well.
This is not over yet.
We are like, cheers. What? I did that one.
Go. After the hangover.
All of you be on time, okay?
Hindi function going on.
Dimpy, you'll have to sit. Dimpy is late. Dimpy, really? What you done 6 o'clock? What did that shit reach?
What jhanda are you doing? Oh, hello. What jhanda are you doing? So now we're going to have the mehndi done. Yeah. And I want to put and I want to go fast so I can finish my other work. Very tiring. Very, very tiring. So this is the third function running. And I think the last function, which is in the night, so that the outfits will be changing. We're changing the outfits for that. The mehndi thing running. Hi guys, finally reached home. Oopsie, my daughter's getting up. And this is the main day. I could not do much, but yeah. So I'm very, very tired. It's 5 o'clock and from 11 o'clock there's only functions, and now again there's a function at 7:30. 7:30 again I have to get ready, so I'll be changing my outfit and we'll be going. So the mehndi I put in this hand and the other hand where actually I'm holding the phone, so I can't show it, but yeah, both the hands, it's quite similar. And I didn't want to put full hand because of the tattoo, and obviously you're handling a kid, it's very difficult. So yeah, I'm just sitting down. This is my outfit. I don't know if it's quite clear or not, but that's my outfit for today. Good evening. So 8 baj chuke hain. 8 or 8:30. I think it's 8:30 now. So we are heading for another function, and आज के function में basically we dress up the bride. It's called Sagri, okay, Sindhis mein, and it's in a hotel. Actually, normally the girls keep it in the house, but they have to keep it in the hotel. So बस हम लोग वहाँ जा रहे हैं. मेहंदी लगी हुई है, पर रंग चढ़ा नहीं अभी तक, क्योंकि अभी like it's just been 2 hours मेहंदी लगा के, तो टाइम लगता है रंग चढ़ने में. तो कल ही पता चलेगा रंग कितना चढ़ा है. So yeah, and this noise which you can see is my daughter. विंडो नीचे कर रही है, ऊपर कर रही है, नीचे कर रही है, ऊपर कर रही है. Mia, say hi. Hi. Look here and say. She's least interested. She's least interested. And that's my husband. His own kurta and jeans. So I have just reached the place. I got such a cute thing. Who is that? So yeah, I liked it so much I picked up 2. One over and one in the other hand. See what they have to drinking.
Video.
Wait. What do you want? Why are you torturing me?
जो भी है
Put this behind. Behind.
Yeah, right.
I'm going. What's a video?
This is the khana. I'm not gonna have the whole thing. I'm just gonna try everything. Yeah.